Hello friends, today we will discuss the wave propagation equation in phasor form for lossless medium. We have already discussed about the wave propagation equation in lossless medium, but that was not in the phasor form. Remember that we have derived the wave propagation equation, in lossless medium. Okay, in terms of E, that is the del square E is equals to mu epsilon curly square E by curly T square, this we have already derived. Okay, please see the playlist. Now in phasor form, we have discussed about the phasor form, Maxwell equations in phasor form also. That is, E is equals to E naught e raised to power iota omega t. Then what should be dE by dt? That is E naught iota omega e raised to power iota omega t. Or what should be dE square E by dt square equals to E naught iota omega e raised to power iota omega t, or this equals to del square E by del t square equals to minus omega square E0 e raised to power iota omega t. Okay, or what is this E naught e raised to power iota omega t? This equals to right hand side will become minus omega square E, because this is E naught e raised to power iota omega t is E. Okay, now putting this value of del square E or curly square E by curly T square equals to minus omega square E in equation number 1, in this equation, that is here, in this equation, put in equation 1, this will become del square E is equals to minus omega square mu epsilon E, or this will be equals to del square E plus omega square mu epsilon E is equals to 0. This is the wave equation in phasor form in lossless medium. Okay, and this is also known as Vector Helmholtz equation, or this equals to del square E plus beta square E is equals to 0. Now where beta square equals to omega square mu epsilon, or beta is equals to omega root of mu epsilon, and it is known as phase shift constant. As the wave is propagating like this, so wave is changing phase from 0 to pi by 2 to pi. Okay, then the wave is changing phase. Okay, so now for a uniform plane wave propagation in plus z direction. Okay, now suppose the wave is propagating along plus z direction, then the wave equation in phasor form may be written as curly square E by curly z square equals to minus beta square E. Okay, now taking the y component of E only, suppose the E is along y direction, then Ey is equals to a e raised to power minus iota beta z plus b e raised to power iota beta z, equation 2, where a and b are constants, and this is the solution in phasor notation. This part is representing the forwarded wave, this part is representing the reflected wave, that is after incident on a certain surface and the wave is bounced back, that is a reflected wave. Okay, so this is all about the wave propagation in lossless medium in phasor form. Okay, just you have to start from the normal equation, then E is equals to e raised by iota omega t, differentiate 2 times and then put it here. You will get the vector Helmholtz equation. I hope you have understood this equation, and thank you. Thanks a lot.